Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm an engineer here at Notion. Notion is the AI workspace for engineering, product, and design teams. Here at Notion, we work alongside AI and agents to keep up with the speed of shipping today. Agents have made writing code the easy part of my job. The hard part is everything around the code. Deciding what to build, keeping context current, and making sure everyone in the org knows what's going on, especially when you can ship so much faster. We keep seeing a common pattern in engineering, product, and design teams. People are spread out across a lot of tools. But the teams moving the fastest, like Ramp, Vercel, Cursor, and OpenAI, are all using Notion to ship. I'm going to walk you through how we take a feature from customer feedback to a shipped product, all inside Notion. Let's take a look. Signals on what to build next come from every direction. You got user feedback, sales calls, retros, tickets, and even the founder's latest idea. Notion helps your team triage it all with the help of agents. When a new signal surfaces, like this request from a CSM about their customer wanting dashboards, an agent captures and categorizes it instantly, linking it to the existing work in the backlog. And because Notion connects to your other tools, you can trace everything back to the original source, whether that's a ticket in Jira or Zendesk, or even a thread in Slack. Your team has an always up-to-date task board and product roadmap to manage everything. Let's get to work on this dashboard request. From here, a Notion agent can take a first pass at your PRD almost instantly. The PRD agent pulls in context about the feature, from customer requests, past decisions, work on other tools, and it compiles it into an easy-to-read doc. It's easy to collaborate with the team right in Notion. You can make edits, discuss in comments, and even assign agents to add insights or critique based on user research. And when you need to talk about it live, AI Meeting Notes captures your decisions and action items, and then links them back automatically. Now, it's time to build. The team does a quick review of all the tasks and assigns owners. Notion AI helps draft a set of task pages with the PRD linked right at the top, so the context stays linked. With Notion, coding agents like Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor can work alongside your team directly in Notion to get the task done. And when it's done, it can write updates back into Notion so your team can pick it up and collaborate all in one place. The coding agent stays connected to the source of truth, which is Notion, and the project stays current without you having to copy and paste between tabs. We have Notion agents that write status updates and prep our stand-up meetings for us. The agent pulls from GitHub commits, Slack threads, and task updates. Then it writes up what each person shipped, what's in progress, and what's blocked. That way, we spend our stand-up talking through hard problems, like if dashboards are ready to ship. When it's time for a go or no-go decision, the team isn't chasing status updates, docs, or random Slack threads. Instead, we have our ship ops agent that updates project statuses from across the system with links to the underlying work, what the risks are, and who owns the final task. All right, everything looks good. So the team makes the call and ships dashboard views. That is just one feature, but this is happening dozens of times across your organization. At that pace, the real challenge is keeping everyone in the loop. Leadership can pull up a launch overview and see what's shipped, what's in flight, what's blocked, and how teams are tracking. But this isn't just for leadership. Anyone at the company can ask Notion AI, what's the latest feature going out, and get the answer straight from the source of truth. That's fewer meetings, less time untangling threads, and more time shipping the things your customers want. What I love about working this way is that AI doesn't replace teamwork. It clears a path for it. It's less overhead and more building, and a team that actually gets to stay in sync. If that sounds like what your team needs, give Notion a try.